back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Maureen. As you can tell by the title of today's video, I have a little reset vlog for you guys. Happy New Year. This is actually the first video I am filming in the new year. Been just a busy few months. Just got back a few days ago from being gone for about 10 days. I was on the other coast at my home there. So now we're back, but now I'm getting ready to go out of town again tomorrow. And by out of town, I'm doing a little staycation over at South Seas on Captiva. So that will be fun, a few different days away. And the dogs are actually going to be here. I'm petting my dog Molly right now. She likes to be on camera. And this will actually be the first time I'm away from Maggie since I got her in June. So she needs to be spending some time away from me, just with other people, because we're gonna be doing a lot of traveling this year. So I'm excited about that. But with that said, we have a lot to do today. I wanna get all this cleaning done. I kinda wanna do some decluttering too. We just have a lot on the agenda today, so I'm gonna take you along for that. In the background, you might hear I already have some laundry done, or going rather. And I'm getting ready to have my breakfast. My dogs are taken care of this morning. I have some tea, because I don't drink coffee or caffeine. Hot tea, and then this is Molly's. She hasn't eaten yet, but now she's right here, so maybe she'll eat for me now. She doesn't really like to eat first thing in the morning. And then I have my Nature's Bakery gluten-free fig bar. So we've got a lot on the agenda. I'm gonna get that done, and then that's why I'm kinda dressed like this. I'm in clothes that I'm okay for cleaning with. That I don't care if I get any cleaning product on it or anything like that. So we've got several hours that we need to do that before I leave at noon for a hair appointment. So we've got lots to do. I've got a little over 3 hours to get things completed. So I'm gonna take you along for everything. For you guys, it's a little while later, so I've been getting a lot done, checking things off my list, but I just wanted to change into something else, since like cleaning and stuff. I still have more cleaning to do when I get back, but at least we're off to a good start. Got, like I said, a lot of things off my list. So this is just a little Polo Ralph Lauren. This is Lululemon's, and I'll have some shoes to go with that soon, but we've got to head out in a few minutes to go and get my hair done, and I'll take you along for that. And then I also need to make a Costco run because I'm running out of some things that I need for my dogs, so I'll take you along for that too. We're heading off island now, so we're gonna go run our errands first at Costco, have a few things to pick up, and then we'll head over and get my hair fixed. So I probably won't do anything crazy or different, but we'll take you on for all that. We finished our little errand quicker than I thought we would, so now we're gonna go and get some Starbucks. My order is always a chai latte. I like to get them hot with oat milk. I'm interested to know what your Starbucks order is. Let me know in the comments down below. And then of course we'll head over to get our hair done. Got our hair done, and then I picked up some products too that I needed, and then went to the dry cleaner. So we've done a lot of errands today, and now we're actually, since we're still off island, we're gonna go to the Capital Grille over in like the Bell Tower area of Fort Myers, if that's, you know, if you're aware of the area. But we're gonna go do that, and then I will check in with you guys this evening. Alright you guys, so we are back. So I'm talking kind of softly just because my dogs are now asleep for the evening. Took care of everything that they needed. But I wanted to show you guys what I picked up from Costco and the products that I got today from the salon. I needed some more shampoo and conditioner. So I'm gonna start using this Kerastase Gloss Absolute, like their Hydro Glaze. So it's for long hair prone to frizz, which is exactly like my hair type. And so she's been using this on me for the past several times. I haven't purchased this before. I'm happy about this. I like how my hair is felt afterwards. So I'm excited to like put this into my actual daily routine. And then this is essentially the conditioner, the rinse out. It's an Instaglaze hyaluronic glycolic acid with rose oil. So I'm excited about this. And then I also have this product already, so I've used something from their line. It's the Gloss Absolute Anti-Frizz Glaze Milk. So I use this for styling my hair, like before I blow dry it, and I've really liked it. And so I do have a bottle here, but I'm gonna take this to my other property because I haven't had it there, and I definitely have noticed a difference in smoothing, and then I have more frizz over there I've noticed, and it's not even more humid on the other coast. I know this product definitely works for my hair. So like I said, it's the Gloss Absolute Anti-Frizz Glaze Milk. So hyaluronic acid glycolic and rose oil. I really like this and it smells really nice, and I'm excited to have all those products in my routine so I know my hair is gonna look good. I think it's good to kind of change up your products every once in a while. I still really love like my Redken products that I use, but I'm just gonna switch it out for this cycle, and I'm excited about that. And then I wanted to show you guys the rest of the things that I got, but also I did get some things for my dogs from Amazon. So I got this Pet Lab coat. It's the clear ears therapy. This is something that we use. Definitely need to make sure you're cleaning your dog's ears. So if you haven't done it in a while, here's your reminder to do it. But I always put this in their ears when I'm, you know, brushing them, cleaning them. I do this several times a week just because they need to have a clean ears so they don't get like infections or anything like that. Then I picked up some things. Maggie is going to be having surgery soon. She has like her pre-op appointment to make sure she's in the clear to go. So I wanted to get some of those like collars because she's gonna be like wearing one of those cones. And I know Molly and Murphy did not enjoy those at all. It was very hard for them to get in through doorways, very hard for them to eat. They just obviously didn't like it. It wasn't the most comfortable experience. I know Murphy's like plastic cone, like the last couple days before he needed to take it off, it just broke. He was so sick of it, he literally broke it. So we're gonna try 2 different types. So I got like an inflatable one, and then I also got this small cone, and it's like, what material would you consider this? It's like a soft cone though, so it would be a little bit more comfortable. So I'll let you guys know how that works out. I have most of these products anyways listed on our Amazon storefront. I'll wait to list these until I know how it actually works out and if they like them, and then I'll make sure to link that. But until then, we always have an Amazon storefront down below for the dogs, and they also have social media accounts, so everything for our social media accounts are linked down below. So make sure you go and follow us on the other accounts as well. Now for Costco. So first, Zyrtec, because my dogs do take Zyrtec. I got these elk antler dog shoes. Molly and Murphy have had these before. I just haven't gotten them again, but I'm pretty sure Maggie would really like this. So I have some chewers in the family, so we'll see how they like that. Then I got these steak grillers from Blue Buffalo. They love these. Need to make sure to stock up on that. Then I got these Bocce's Bakery. They say moo. They love Bocce Bakery. They like the soft ones particularly. They'll eat any kind that you get them, but we love this brand. Then I'm just gonna show you these two. We got a bunch of bully sticks. My dogs love bully sticks. So we get the Cadet version, and then we get the Toro version. So those are the two that we typically find at least in our Costco. Made sure to stock up to have them at both the houses. So yeah, that is pretty much it, you guys. So the rest of the evening, I just have some miscellaneous things that I need to get done and computer admin work. So I'm gonna end off this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed and kind of seeing a reset before heading out of town. We have lots of traveling this year, lots of fun things going on, so I'll be taking you along for that. Like I said, we're doing a staycation, so make sure you're subscribed because I'm gonna do a little staycation vlog of South Seas Resort. Well, that's over on Captiva. That's where we're gonna be for the next few days, so I'll let you guys know how we like it. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my content. And once again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.